Hey everyone, welcome back to the .NET world. Let's see today interview question on extension method in C Sharp, and it is one of the most asked question in the interview. I will tell you the simple use of extension method, or if I say the concept of extension method in C Sharp with example. So basically, we use the extension method to extend the method, or if I say to extend the property of already created instance of a class. So you can add the new method to the already created instance without creating a new derived type, or if I say new instance. And also it will not modify the existing type properties. Hence you can add as many as method to the existing type, or if I say the existing instance type of the class, and use this method in your application. Now let's see the example so that it will be more clear to you how we can create the extension class and the method and use that method to the existing type. And one more thing, we have when you create a class and extension method, you have to use the static keyword. And one more thing, many candidates can able to tell the use of extension method but not able to write the syntax. Means how we create the extension class method and use that method in the existing type, because they are not aware of the practical use. They know the definition but not how we can use the extension method. So the purpose of to show the example is that you have to see the step by step how we can create the method and use that method in the existing type. Now let's see the example. So over here I have already created the project, and I will going to create the another class library. So I will going to add a class library. It's already selected one, and over here I can write calculator. Next, next. So in this class, I am going to write a method, which is the add method, which will going to add two number and return the result. Integer add int a comma int b. We are going to return a plus b. If I save this, and I will going to refer this class library, so I will going to add the class library over here. This calculator, okay. Now I will going to create calculator object. For this, I will going to add using, okay, I think the class names can give as a class name over here. Sorry, one class one, and you can see this is a project name calculator, and this is a class one, and this class will going to return the add c dot add, and over here I will going to pass 20 comma 10. If you see the class one, yeah. If I print this, you will going to see the output of the add one. So basically, this calculator class had the add method, and we are passing the two parameter 20 and 10 to get the addition of two number. Now, for example, I don't want to change or modify this class, okay, and I want to add the like multiply method, subtract method to this instance of the class. So what I can do, I will going to create a class. So in simply we will going to write extension method, which will going to add that multiply and subtract method in the existing object, which is a class one object. So over here I will going to write public static extension class. So this is the extension. Here is public. Okay, to write class. Over here I will going to write the method public static return type is the int null int a comma int b, and I will going to write the implementations of multiplication, which will going to return the a into b. Now if I save this, Now, for getting to, or if I say to add this method, extension method to the existing class object, I've used this class name C comma. Okay. Now, if I save this and if I call this method where or equal to C dot method and over here same past and 20 and console. Now, if I save this now. Over here what I have done, so I have the existing class one. Okay, in that class one I have the method add method which is adding the two number. Now I don't want to modify my existing instance like properties, and I want to add the method like multiply and subtract to the existing instance. So in this scenario I will going to use the extension method. Okay, now if I run this code, you can see the output of addition and multiplication 30 and 20. That's it. It's a very simple. So just follow this step, okay, and try to practice this step so that it will be easier for you when you write the extension method in the interview. And for example, if I want to add more method, extension class, I will go to same public static int sub and this C int a int b, and it is going to return a minus b. And same way, let me copy this thing and paste over here. Now if I prints up, now if I run this, you can see the addition of two number, multiplication of two number, and subtraction of two number. I think it's sub. Okay, it's called sub method. Now if I run this code, you can see the output of addition, multiplication, and subtraction. I'm passing the 20 and 10 parameter. So yeah, that's all from the or if I say sorry, that's it from the extension method, and it's a very simple. And this is a use of extension method with like the example. Now you can, like, if you want to say the like, if an interviewer asks like how you're going to implement the extension method, okay, so you can also explain like this with like another example is like I have the string class, or if I say I have the string class object, and in that class I have the left remove character method. It's an inbuilt method I have, but I don't have the right remove right character method. Okay, so in that scenario, I will going to create a like extension class, and I will going to write the extension method to remove the right character, and I will going to add that extension method to the existing in, or if I say inbuilt class string class object, and then I can use the remove right character also method, and it will help us to in the application. So wherever you use the like string left, it's already inbuilt, and also you will going to get the string but remove right character method. So this is like another example of the extension method. So yeah, that's all from my side. I hope it will be more clear to you. And if you have any doubt, kindly let me know in the comment section. Thank you.